Okay, superheroes, so we're going to be brave and strong now, and we're going to do a superhero dance together, okay? So the first thing we have to do is get ourselves ready. So you're going to put your superhero costume on for me. Ready? So I'm going to put my arms in, and then I'm going to put my legs in. I might put my belt on. I might put my helmet on. My superhero might have a mask and some gloves. And maybe a cape. Yeah? So you put on the costume that you want to put on to be your superhero, okay? So we're going to put it all on and we're going to be ready, okay? So we're going to look for danger. So we're going to do some dips first. So we're going to go dip as we look for danger. Excellent. Now we might see someone who needs rescuing, so we're going to get ready. So we're going to do our power spin. So we go power spin, power jump, and off we go down the street. We're going to find someone who needs our help. Right, we're going to dodge out of the way of bad guys. So we're going to go dodge out the way, dodge out the way, dodge out the way. That's it, dodge out the way. Carry on going down the street. Okay, we can see the bad guy. I'm feeling brave and strong. I hope you are too. So we're going to go strong, strong, really strong. Whoo. Yeah, so we go out, cross and up with a nice clenched fist. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, to show the bad guys that we're feeling really brave and strong. Yeah? Awesome. Okay, and then we're going to shoot some webs. So we're going to go side to side, and then we're going to go side to side, but we're going to go up slightly. So we're going to go up and to the side, up and to the side. Yeah, we do a little jump as we do it. So we go jump, 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 jump. Yeah, so yeah, good, excellent. So we've got feeling brave. We do that a couple of times. Then we shoot our webs a couple of times. And then we power up. So remember, our power up is a big power spin and a big power jump. And we're going to pose as our superhero. Yeah, fantastic. Should we try it with some music? We'll do it a couple of times. Are you ready? Are you two barrels? Yeah, fantastic. Ready? Let's get ready to be superheroes. So we're going to put our costume on. And put our trousers on. And I'm going to put my belt on. Oh, my mask! And maybe a helmet. And don't forget that cape. Right, let's have a look. See if we can see anyone who needs rescuing. Someone might need our help. I can see someone. Ready? Let's go and help them. Are you feeling brave and strong? Let's dodge. Dodge the bad guys. Dodge. And again. Dodge. And dodge. Oh, let's keep going. Oh, I'm feeling really brave. Are you ready? We're going to go. Brave, 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 brave. Brave. Ready to shoot those webs? We go up, and again. Up, and again. Last time. We go up. Ready, power spin. Big jump. And let's scare them away. Superhero pose. Ready?